What if you stopped eating for 16 hours every day for 30 days? Your body would transform in ways you never imagined. Here's what really happens. Intermittent fasting isn't about starving yourself. It's about giving your body a break from constant digestion so it can heal and reset. The best method for beginners is called 16 to 8. You fast for 16 hours and eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. Here's what happens inside your body during those 30 days. Week 1. Your body switches from burning sugar to burning fat for energy. You might feel hungry at first, but that's normal. Your insulin levels start dropping, making it easier for your body to access stored fat. Week 2. Autophagy kicks in. This is your body's natural cleanup process where it removes damaged cells and regenerates new ones. Think of it as taking out the cellular trash. Your mental clarity improves because your brain loves burning ketones from fat. Week 3 to 4. Fat burning becomes effortless. Your energy levels stabilize throughout the day with no more afternoon crashes. Your insulin sensitivity improves dramatically, reducing your risk of type 2 diabetes. Many people report better sleep, clearer skin, and reduced inflammation. The key to success? Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, black coffee, or plain tea during your fasting window. These won't break your fast and help control hunger. After 30 days, most people lose 5 to 10 pounds of pure fat, feel more energized, think more clearly, and notice their clothes fitting better. But listen carefully. Intermittent fasting is not for everyone. Avoid it if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have diabetes, or a history of eating disorders.